Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Starry, and if you are new here, hello, my name is Starry. It is so nice to meet you. Dun, 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 dun. I'm back today with another recipe from the Gudetama cookbook. What are we making today? Oh my gosh, I am so glad you asked. We are making relaxed bubble tea. Wow. I know. What? There's no picture. That's so crazy. Just kidding. There it is. There's the picture. Look at it. So cute. Look at him. I tried to. It didn't work out very well. It never does. But somebody commented on the last Gudetama video on bubble tea. And well, here we are. Thank you so much for suggesting that. I've actually never made bubble tea before, and I have always wanted to. Like, it has been on my checklist for like forever. So what better way to like ease into it than with the Gudetama cookbook? It has been really good on like super like intimidating recipes and making it a little bit easier. So this is definitely one of the better opportunities, I think, to try it. As it has been with all of the previous recipes, there's not a lot to get. Wow, not intimidating at all. It is like a level 3 harder. So, ooh, okay. It does have something right up here, and it also has something right down here. Quite a bit. So we are in for a challenge today, it looks like. Though, I mean, bubble tea just does seem like a challenge in general, so. I mean, the steps don't seem too bad either. I did read ahead a little bit. It does look like it's going to be a little bit more work than the previous ones, but that's okay. That's okay, because like, it's still approachable, so, you know. But let's go ahead and see what it says right up here, and then let's go ahead and read what it says right here. Bubble tea is an interactive beverage. It's both tasty and fun to drink. If I was forced to write down a daily itinerary, it would say, Day 1, drink boba. Day 2, drink boba. Day 3, you get the picture. Every day is a good day for boba, and making it at home is completely doable as long as you clear your schedule. But there's nothing that should ever take precedence over boba. Well, I mean, I feel like I don't really drink boba that often. I used to like drink boba like all the freaking time. All right, let's go ahead and read what this says. Granted, making boba at home does take effort, a lot of effort, okay? It takes time too. Wait, hear me out. After you go to all the trouble of brewing up the bubbly balls, there are a myriad of ways to use them in recipes. You just need to think outside the box. For a fruity chew, add them to your lounge around lychee lush. This one. Or for even more texture, pour them into an unshakable cookie shake. All right, let's take a look at that real quick. Hold on. Oh, look at them. So cute. The chewy boba and crunchy cookies create texture beyond compare. You can even serve boba on top of Why Wake Up waffles. It's a sweet, chewy, unexpected topping. Being creative takes some energy, so no pressure. You can just stick with milk tea too. We're going to stick with milk tea today. I mean, I don't think it's going to seem too bad. I don't know. I'm really excited to do something with like, to make the boba, like the tapioca pearls, because I've always wanted to do that. I have watched a lot of like boba making videos in the past. Granted, it has been a minute since I've watched them last, but I always remember thinking like, oh my god, this is so much work. So it's been like always in the back of my head thinking that. So there are quite a few steps in it, but I don't know. I think it'll be fine. It did say 25 minutes for the tapioca pearls, but this one that I got at the store says ready in 3 minutes. Though it says in the microwave, and I can't read that. But it does have English in like steps below it. Hold on, let me read this real quick. If I'm doing it, okay, so there's a like obviously you see the microwave on here, but boil 10 cups of water for every 1 cup of boba. And I need, how much do I need? A 4th cup. But if I make it in the pot, it's gonna definitely take like 10 minutes. If I do it in the microwave, 3 minutes. So yeah, that makes sense based on the picture. Should have put that together sooner. I mean, it's definitely going to take a minute, but that's okay. That's okay. This is a whole new thing, completely new learning experience. I'm very much looking forward to it. So this is definitely going to take longer than the previous recipes that we've tried in the cookbook so far. I have made brown sugar syrup before because there was a period in time where I would only make that for my coffee because it's so good, and I really, really liked the brown sugar shaken espresso from Starbucks, and then like everything happened, and then obviously I stopped drinking from there. I learn to make it at home, and I'm like, oh, this is easy as hell. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. And here are all of the ingredients. To make the simple syrup, combine 1 cup water and the sugars in a small saucepan. Bring to a boil and simmer for 2 minutes, just until the sugar is dissolved. Let cool. To make the boba, in a large saucepan, bring 5 cups of water to a boil. Add in the boba pearls. When they start to float, turn to heat to low and let them simmer for 25 minutes. Turn off the heat and cover the saucepan. Then sit for 25 minutes. Drain and rinse the boba. In a small bowl, add the cooked boba to the simple syrup and let soak for 30 minutes. Strain the boba and pour into a tall glass. To make the milk tea, pour the boba over the tea and then add the milk to serve. Oh my god! It looks so yummy! Oh my god, I made it! That is, I don't know, that's... I'm so excited, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I haven't had boba in a minute, and I made it! Wow! The straw that I have in here, I don't think it's big enough to fit the tapioca pearls. Didn't think that far ahead, but... I do have a spoon here for whenever I do try the tapioca, so, but here it is in all its glory. Doesn't it look beautiful? I used Thai tea because Thai tea is my favorite, so. All right, let's go ahead and taste it. Spinning it. Okay. It tastes like it. The boba wants to get like sucked up, so I want to try one of the boba. All right, let's see. It's chewy, baby. It's amazing. Oh my god, it tastes so good. I wish I had a bigger straw, but that's okay. Oh my god, we did it! Yeah! I want to give a huge thank you for commenting on doing tea, and here we are. Here we are trying the boba tea, and I'm literally so filled with joy on how this turned out. Like, oh my god! It's still intimidating. It did take a while. Like, I just said I read ahead, but I just literally read the 225 minutes and I was like, oh yeah, okay. Didn't read it fully. So, I mean, it did take a minute. So I do have to like prepare it. I mean, it did warn you. In the cookbook, it literally warned you that it was going to take a minute. But I mean, totally worth it. I think it's really cool that it's just not that bad. It's just a lot of waiting. It just be like this sometimes. But oh my god. It's so good. It's so yummy. Wow. It's not too sweet or anything like that. The tapioca pearls really, like with it being soaked into the thing, I think it really does it does the job. It literally does the job. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's so... I'm literally so happy that I tried making this. So, oh my gosh. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay. So, with that being said, that is it. That is our recipe. So would you guys try making this bubble tea? Do you guys like bubble tea? Do you have a favorite tea that you like to drink? Thai tea is my favorite. Absolutely my favorite. My second favorite is matcha. So maybe I can try doing that next time for my own like personal thing. But yay, that's all I got for you guys today. I do have other sections of the cookbook. So we have early awake breakfasts, lazy lunches, drowsy dinners, tired treats, and sleepy sips. I have done a video on every single section, but I have put the list of options right over here. So if you guys have a recipe that you want me to try making, please let me know in the comments down below and I'll be more than happy to give it a try. So that's it. That's all I got for you guys today. I want to thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it until the end. And if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like or a comment or, you know, or whatever. Only if you want to though. But I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!